All right, now that you got your head and footboard done, you're gonna work on your panels. All right, how you wanna start is you want your panel to be on a nice clean work surface. Next of all, you want this part to be facing up. This right here is the outside of the panel. How you know it's the outside of the panel is you have your knock ends outside and you have no barrel bolts on the side showing. That is on the inside, your barrel bolts showing. So you want to start on the other side. All right, and this right here is the bottom of your panel. It has a cloud lift or a nice little curve at the edges. The top is straight. This is the side you need to be working on, the top. All right. Grab your pad, and when you get your pad, you will have Velcro all over it. All right, so what you want to do is how you know what's the top and bottom? Well, it's the long sides, and you've got your flaps right here on the top and bottom. All right, go on and pull your Velcro off. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to start right here at this edge and come right to the very top of it, and you're going to want to run your Velcro all the way down. So peel your backing off. You want it right at the edge. Don't pull too tight. You want just a little bit of tension on this. Make sure you smooth it out and press it down as you go along. So what you're going to want to do before you install the pad, go on and rip off the remainder of your Velcro pieces. Flip your pad over. Grab this side. Just come along your line. Make sure you have good adhesion. You will flip it over and you will now start working on the other side. Now I'm going to grab these sides and I can kind of see where this right here is going to fall. I'm just going to pretty much start right here at this top and come straight down with it. Do the same thing on the other side. So just to ensure that I get this bottom piece where that falls, I like to do a little dry run just to make sure that it's going to fall where I want it. So I'm going to pull pretty tightly with this, flip it over, and just kind of see where it lands. Now, I noticed that it's going to land pretty much right up here at the top. It's okay to trim this excess right here. As long as you're pulling this down and it still has, it's just too long, you can always trim it. It's okay. Just pull it back. And I noticed that it came up to about the middle of this barrel bolt, so I kind of know exactly where to trim. Now you can pull this backing off, and you're going to want to go all the way to the edge with this. And you're going to want to butt it up to the bottom of this. All right, now once that's complete, pull, get a little bit of tension there, make sure it falls where you want it, and then start in the middle, press it down, and work your way out to the ends, smoothing it out as you go along. Press down on the edge, and that's it. Do the exact same process on the other side of the panel.